Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this video, I want to talk about how to display motion blur in Vray render engine on 3DSMax. I made a teapot. Enable Auto key or press N from your keyboard. Move a slider to forward and move the object. Alright, now we have a simple animation. If I right click on the object and enable object properties, in the bottom right side we have enabled motion blur, but by default it is set on none. You could set on object or image, doesn't matter here actually. But if I start rendering, as you see, we won't see the motion blur effect. To set in Vray, go to rendering, render setup, and make sure your renderer set on Vray. Go to Vray tab, which is the second tab. Expand camera rollout and enable motion blur. And now render the scene. And as you see, now we have render motion blur effects. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.